Hey guys, I'm pretty sweaty because I've been working, but we are now starting the wrap for the car. It was so hot today, I didn't feel like filming, but so far I took the door handle off, the mirror off. The door handle, you open it up and there's like a screw right here. I can't open it right now because there's no handle, but there's a screw right there, and then you just pull on this and kind of wedge it out and it comes right out. Took the headlights out, took my wing out. Pop that little piece out, and yeah, now I'm gonna take the front bumper off. So I got the front bumper and headlights and everything like that off the front of the car. So we are now gonna say goodnight to the car, and the wrap's getting delivered tomorrow, so I'll just have to clay bar it and do denatured alcohol wipe down, and we should be good to go. I've never wrapped before, so let's see how I do. It's been a very busy day right now. Maria's helping me. She's cutting right here, and then we're gonna tuck that in. But I'll show you everything that's done on the car. Got the roof done, this door panel done. We still gotta tuck everything there. It's almost done. And then this fender, and this fender, and this door. I got the handle in on this door. So, yep, kind of scared for the big pieces like the hood and like this piece, like the quarter panel. That's gonna not be fun. But yep, that's where we are so far. Hey guys, so it's day 3. The car is really coming together. I did like the side skirt, the quarter panel, wraps all the way around. That was really hard because it's so big. Did the hood today. I really like this color. It's like Nardo gray, but like it looks really blue on the camera too. I like it. But yeah, I actually ran out of wrap because the first day it was so hard. Like I tried to wrap the hood, I messed up. I had to take it off, throw that away. Tried to wrap the door, same thing. So I wasted quite a bit the first day, and before I got the hang of it. So I'm gonna have to order some more, and I'm sure it's gonna be a week or so. So I'll get back to you when we get that in. I installed a wrap, it's pretty much already complete. Just like the front bumper, little splitter thing, and like door handles and stuff is not on. But I don't really like the color. It doesn't look. I mean, it looks decent right here, but I'm gonna pull it off and get something different. And there you go. It's crazy to think how many hours I spent on this, and I took it all off in 20 minutes. Is it just me, or like the color look a little different now? Yeah, guys, I took the old wrap off. I wasn't that happy with the color. It was like gray, but it was like trying to be blue or something. It was just like a baby blue. I was like, if it's gonna be blue, let's just get a real blue. So right now, I'm wrapping this quarter panel. It's coming out pretty good. And guys, I switched. This time I got Avery Dennison. Last time it was Vvivid. Do not get Vvivid if you're a first-time rapper. Avery is so much easier to work with. I'll go over that more at the end when I finish wrapping this car, but Avery is just so easy and so nice to work with, guys. Guys, so far today, I got the roof wrapped. I haven't tucked this yet. I might need Maria's help. She's good at like, cause you gotta tuck it into that super small little piece of rubber right there. And like when I do it, like, I don't know, I just get so frustrated at like small things like that. So gotta tuck this, but roof looks good. And we did the hood. The hood is like almost perfect. I don't think I got any specks of dust under it or anything. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Get a little wider angle for you. Yeah, I'm really excited with this color, guys. Screw the old color. This one was the move for sure. Don't you guys think? Whew, that looks nice. Well, guys, first off, I'm gonna kind of apologize because I didn't show very much of like me actually wrapping, just because it was like my first time and it just like totally consumed me. Like I just didn't feel like doing the video and the wrap at the same time. But anyway, the wrap is done. And I'm excited to show you guys. There she is. I freaking love it. I'm so happy with how it came out. Guys, if you ever wrap your car, for your first time, my opinion, do not use Vvivid. I knew nothing about wraps. I got Vvivid. Now we have Avery Dennison. And it was a breeze to wrap this car. There's a few things here and there that I'm not happy with that I'm gonna have to redo, but other than that, car came out good. Super happy with it. Let me know what you guys think of the color. So I'm gonna end the video off there. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.